I recently uploaded a video about a viral niche that no one else is doing, and it went viral. The good thing is that a lot of my viewers have actually started to follow the process of that video and got insane results in the last 2 weeks. So I decided to do some digging and found another unique niche and a channel that will blow your mind. This channel has achieved 900,000 subscribers, which is very close to 1 million, with just 24 videos. You know what the crazy thing is? Every video has more than 1 million views except these two, which have around 500,000 views. I checked this channel on Social Blade, and they are averaging around $8,000 a month. So this niche is a hidden gem. That's why I decided to make a full tutorial about this and show you how to start a channel similar to this from scratch. Let's begin. This niche is called the What If niche. Yep, it's in the same niche as this popular channel. The only difference is their presentation style. They mainly use stick figure animations, which I will teach you how to do in a minute. First of all, let's start the branding part of our channel. First, you need a name. We don't have to waste time on this part. We can ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI to generate us some name ideas. You can use a basic prompt like this to generate some name ideas. Generate 15 unique name ideas for a YouTube channel about science and hypothetical scenarios like what would happen or what if. As you can see here, we have 15 name ideas. The one name that caught my attention is this one called Altiverse. I think it's a cool name. Let's make a small description for this as well. Now we need to add several keywords related to this niche into this description. This part is important because when we are creating a new channel, YouTube algorithm doesn't know about the targeted audience for that specific channel. By adding keywords to the description, algorithm can easily understand which audience is suitable for this channel. Now we need to create a logo and a banner. You don't have to be stressed about these two. Your logo can be a simple logo. Like this example channel, since we have AI tools, we don't need to hire a graphic designer for this part. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to generate a logo. This is going to be a simple logo. You can use this prompt and change this part according to your interest. This logo is going to be an alien spaceship hovering above a black silhouette of a building. I'm going to use this new feature, which is called Flow State, where we can generate several images with different styles. As you can see here, we have some amazing image options. Now we can check these images and select a unique version. I think this logo would be good for our new channel. Let's go with it. You can simply select this and download it to your device. Just like this, let's make an image for the banner as well. For the banner, you need to change the aspect ratio from here. I'm going to use this prompt. Guys, you can get all of these prompts in the description. You don't have to worry about it. I think this image is good for this banner image. Now, let's create the channel. I've created this new channel. Let's add the basic information first. After you add the name of your channel, click the Customize Channel option. Here you can upload the logo and the banner that we just created. After that, make sure to add the channel description as well. Now, the basic things are done. Make sure to click this Publish button to save these. The next part is very important, but a lot of new channels completely ignore this part. We need to add channel tags. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate 15 tags, or you can say keywords related to this niche. Now, go back to YouTube and go to the settings and select this channel option. Now you can select your country from here and paste all the tags to this place. By adding these tags, you are helping the YouTube algorithm to learn more about your channel, and it will help it find the suitable audience and recommend your videos. Now, you need to at least warm up this channel for a week. Don't upload videos as soon as you create the channel. Use this channel as a normal YouTube profile. Watch several videos, like and comment on videos. Do this for at least a week before you start uploading videos. Now let's move on to the content creation process. If you take a look at these viral video ideas from these channels, you can actually get a clear idea about what type of videos are going viral. All of these what-if videos about planets and stuff have gained more than 1 million views, which means viewers are showing more interest in these topics. So what I'm going to do is take these viral topic ideas and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate some new ideas that fall under the same category. As you can see here, we have completely new and unique 20 video ideas for this niche. Just like this, you can create as much as video topics you prefer. Now, we need to create a script similar to these viral videos without copying. Let me show you how to do it. I'm going to use this AI tool called DupDub AI for today's video. They have this cool feature where you can get the script of any video with just a link. What you need to do is copy the link to this video, go back to DupDub AI and select the transcription feature. Then select this YouTube and paste the link you just copied. Now make sure to select the English language from here. Then click the transcribe option, and within several seconds, you will get the whole script of that video. Now, we are not going to copy this script. What I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT to analyze the presenting style of this script so that we can use the same style for new video ideas. I'm going to ask ChatGPT like this and paste the script, and boom! We have a highly detailed prompt to create scripts for our new video topics. All you need to do is insert the topic here. So, I'm going to copy this prompt too, and let's select a topic as well. For this example video, I'm going to select this one. What if gravity was suddenly turned off for 1 hour? And let's insert this topic into our prompt and generate. As you can see here, we have an amazing video script for this topic, exactly like the same style as that channel. Now we need to make voiceovers for this script. I'm gonna go to Dubbed Up AI again, and let's go to this AI voiceover option and select voices. Once you come to this page, make sure to click this More Voices feature. As you can see here, we have several AI voices. You can filter these voices based on language, gender, age, and quality. Not only that, you can even filter it based on your niches, such as educational, motivational, and more. And they have these new voices for animation videos. I'm going to filter this into English and a male voice. Now, you can check these AI voices and select a suitable voice for your channel. Now, I have selected this ultra quality. Let's check a few voices.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love.
This one is good for like motivational stories.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
This is actually good for our channel. Once you select a suitable AI voice, all you need to do is copy the script part by part into this. Now, you can add pauses and emphasize the voice over using these options. After you have completed that part, click this button to generate voiceovers. Once the generation is completed, you can preview it and make any changes you want. Finally, click the export button to download the voiceover file. And with that, the voiceover part is done. Before going into the next step, let me show you another cool feature this tool has. Now, only these features, they have a lot of features. My favorite feature is the AI avatar feature. I personally use this for my channel. All the AI avatars that you saw on my channel. Let me show you how I create those. All you need to do is go to this AI avatar feature and upload the avatar image like this, and then upload the voice over file here. Then click the generate avatar option. It will only take several seconds, and you will get this talking avatar with correct lip movements. You can try this as well. Now, let's go back to video editing part. Now, for the visuals, I'm going to be using stick figure animations like this example channel. In addition, I'm going to add some AI images and videos as well. Before going into the stick figure animation part, I'm going to generate some images and videos for this script. Then we can mix those later and complete the full video. First, you need to read the whole script and understand which places are suitable for stick figure animations and which are suitable for AI images and videos. Once you figure that out, you can use Leonardo AI to generate those. They now have this text-to-video feature where you can generate realistic video clips. I'm going to use this prompt to generate a small video clip to represent the first scene of our video, and let's see the results. Just like this, you can generate either videos or images for your script. Now let's move on to the stick figure animation part. For this process, I'm going to use Canva. First, you need to log into your Canva account. Now you need to carefully follow all of the instructions I'm about to show you. Let's start. Click this to create a design option. Now this is going to be a long YouTube video. Therefore, we need to select 1920 pixels by 1080 pixel surface. So I'm going to search for a YouTube video in the search bar and select this template. Now this is going to be our editing dashboard. First, you need to click the duration feature and increase it to 30 seconds. This is going to be one scene. We need to create several scenes like this. Then go to Uploads and select the Upload File option. Then you need to upload the voiceover files to this. Let's add the first voiceover file to this timeline, and then you need to adjust the duration of this scene to match the duration of the voiceover file. Then go to the elements and search for a paper background. I'm going to select this paper background and make sure to adjust its size to match the surface area like this. For the first few seconds of the voiceover, I'm going to add some AI generated videos. For that, I'm going to go to Uploads again and upload those videos. Then, let's add those video clips to the timeline and match them with the script. You can edit its duration like this in this timeline. It's really simple. Once you add those to the suitable places, let me show you how to add stick figure animations. Now, you need to carefully listen to the voiceover because we are going to break it down into several scenes. Now, I'm going to break down this part into 3 separate scenes. So, let's split this layer into 3 scenes. Go to the place where you want to split and press the S key on the keyboard. Just like this, I'm going to split the whole scene into several parts. Then we can add animations to each one by one. Now go to this Elements tab again and search for stick figures, and then select this Graphics tab. As you can see here, you have stick figure graphics with different styles. So if you go to any of these styles you like and select these 3 dots, you can get access to all the other stick figure graphics from this creator. So find a style you like. I'm going to select this style, and let's check what other stick figure graphics this creator has. Cool. I think this style is good for our video. Now, you can search the elements that fit the script. In this case, I'm going to search for the Earth graphic and add it to the scene. Then, I'm going to adjust its size. And you can add text layers as well. I'm going to add a text layer like this and rename it. Now, if you want, you can add sliding animations to these text layers. Go to this animation from the top menu and add suitable animations. I'm going to add another image of Earth, but this should appear a few seconds later. Therefore, I'm going to edit the appearance time in the timeline like this. Then, let's add another text layer as well. Once you get used to this process, it's going to be really simple. Just like this, you can create all the scenes with these stick figure animations and mix them with AI videos. Just like this, you can create all the scenes with these stick figure animations and mix them with AI videos. I have added several scenes. If you want, you can add some background music to this video as well. It's up to you.
Imagine you're brushing your teeth, and suddenly your toothpaste floats off your brush, your cat glides across the ceiling, and your houseplants begin levitating like amateur magicians. Welcome to Earth. With zero gravity. Yes, today we're asking, what if gravity was suddenly turned off for 1 hour? Sure, sci-fi has flirted with the idea, and physicists have nightmares about it, but we're diving in with a fresh take, complete with chaotic shopping carts, orbiting breakfast cereal, and the surprising fate of your neighbor's trampoline. We're not going to explain how gravity gets turned off, maybe a mysterious cosmic switch, or maybe someone spilled coffee on the universe's control panel.
So this is how you make videos for this niche, and guys, I hope you learned some valuable lesson from this video. So I will see you guys in the next video. I wish you the best of luck.